float. We can Same degree of accuracy, not the same degree of accuracy. Swap pen, and then this. Now what do we say? We say use %lf insert %lf to print double use %s to print strings. Fucking missed this. What can we double? Like, oh my fucking god, bro. That's the hardest thing about programming. Knowing what, like, when making notes, knowing what variable name to use. Let's put it like Russia. Russia level is equal to 45.9. No, it's too obvious. Okay, I think that's good. We are good. I think I'm gonna download Komorebi and then use all workspace here, because I think like I can't get Linux on this machine for whatever fucking reason. I can't just download Linux. It's not booting up. Yeah, I think so. I mean, I have like virtual machine, and I've created this, and I have been using this for like 2 minutes, but like I want to get like a real thing, because now I only have 4 gigabytes of RAM and free process account, so you know. Ah shit. Boolean data types. So use %b. It's still %d to print boolean. Huh? What the fuck? See. Boolean data types. Update is equal to what? No. What the fuck am I doing? Basically, Control W in NeoVim is what? Is bool update is equal to true bool increase underscore temp is equal to false. Blue. Okay, that's good enough. Then we use %d. Okay, let me try that. So if I do so wait a second, append -n and then print this. So I do boolean increase underscore temp is equal to true. Let's do false. And then what do you mean I can't? What do you mean this is an error?
Store even more significant between that as I can with a float. So I'm going to display these. So to mean for a double, this will only these in decimal. I will add 15 digits after 0.1, which is for my double as well. I'd like to after the decimal, I will add 0 point and the amount of digits I would like to display. So I would like to display 15 digits after my decimal, and I'll do that for my F. And let's take a look at these numbers. Okay, after my 2, so more precision, but it uses more memory. A double uses 8 bytes of memory. Because of this reason, we tend to use doubles a lot more than floats just because they're more precise. We don't want to lose our precision. Next up, we have booleans. To work with booleans in C, include this at the top. std bool
Okay. Warning. Right. Do we able to use the Boolean data type we need to include the library stdbool.h. That's why it was not working. Insert. So include input slash output library thing, shift yank this and then paste this, include boolean library thing, so pi and then b, so std delete and say bool. Is it good? std bool. Okay, std bool. Yeah, it's st instead d bool. Yeah, and then we can use boolean characters, and then wait, let me just delete everything here, and then no, shift yank this, paste this over here, undo, delete this, and then append here. Print. No, it's not print, it's bool. Increase extra temp bool temp underscore increase is equal to false. Now we can say print f temp increasing, and then we could say percent %b. No, is it percent %b or is it percent %d? So it's percent %d and then temp increase, and then this we go here, Control Alt N to run it. Temp increase 0. Oh shit, it outputs in 0. Yeah, because true is 1. Like, okay, CIW true. Control Alt N. Yeah, it's 1. CIW false. Control Alt N. It's gonna be. So yeah, that's about that, and then go back to our configuration file. What? Go back to our notes. Boolean. So do not forget about the boolean library. So include std bool.h. This goes like this. Yeah. So, and then we can go for char characters. So before we do strings, we need to do char, because char, you know, char. So use %c to print chars doubles. So does it auto save? Auto save. Yeah, I need to enable autosave. No, it's on Excalibur. What? I think it's autosave. I mean, the very least I have backups. If I don't like, let me just take a look for a second. Is my stream working? That's what I need to check also. Is my stream working? So I need to check that. Print characters so we can see. We can see. We can see. Char data types. Data types. So we can char grade is equal to A, and then we're going to char level is equal to 1. Can you do that? Wait, let me just char 1. I think. What if I put A? Oh, it does run it, but you have to do delete and then this. Then it runs without errors. See? And what if I do CI? So if I do 3 here, it should work. Yeah, it should work. So if I do A here and then if I do, so for example, if I do level 5 for example, and so you can't use shit. You can't use, have to use single quotes, append and then A and then this append and then B or 5 level 5 for example, and then yeah, that's it. That's it, my friend. Let me check my stream. I'm gonna increase the audio a bit because why not? What about 100? Like, it's better. So we have level and the grade, and then what do we have next? We have unassigned char. What the fuck is that? Oh, it's like
dot age. Boolean doesn't stripe bool only knows percent. So 1 corresponds to the future where we could display the word true or the word false. But for now, we're going to stick with percent false. Now, another thing that we can do with chars is that we can store a whole integer between the range of -128 to +127. So in this example, we have char f, and I will store the integer number 100. We can display this number as either a decimal, an integer, or a character. So if I was to display this number as a character, we will use the ASCII table to convert this number to a character representation. The ASCII table has a range between 0 to 127. So if I was to display this number as a decimal using the %d format specifier, of course this will display as 100.
I see.
But if I was to convert this to a character using the %c format specifier, this has a corresponding.
Wait a second. So you're fucking telling me we can do this? CIW 100 what?
Corresponding character, and that would be lowercase d. So I'm actually going to change this to something
What?
else. What about, I don't know, 120. So let's see what the character.
It's not working for me. What? I don't understand. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? Okay, wait a second. Note. We can also use %C or %D for Charles. If, for example, CIW 100, if delete if we use %C on level we will get 100. But if we no, we don't get 100, we get CWD, and then if we use %C we will get D. ASCII table. So images, and then I think this is the, I mean, so the 0. But why? So for example, if I do 10 and decimal, oh, it's decimal. Or is it char? Wait, I forgot. What the fuck am I doing?
A corresponding character, and that would be lowercase d.
Yeah,
so
C. I'm using C. Why I'm not getting? What if I do D? CW D. Alt N. Control Alt N. What? What? Huh? Control Alt N. Okay, that's some fucking problem there. Refer to ASCII table. So if I do, okay, wait a second, I need to download this image, so I'm just gonna download that fucking image. No, it's a PNG. Let's try it. I don't want a PNG, and I want the decimal value also. This one is different. No, it's not. Yeah. So D's 100. But why am I not be able to use D there? I don't understand. Like, he did nothing. Oh, it's fucking. I'm fucking noob, bruh. So, for example, I don't need to do this. I'm such a fucking dumb. So if I do this, grade CI, so if I do char level is equal to I'm gonna put A there. Okay, I'm gonna put A there. Wait. I'm gonna put A there. So A is I'm gonna say level E. So level 69. Oh, it's nice. That's what she said. 69. Where was I? Shift V, yank this and paste this here. Oh my fucking god. Paste this over here, and then you say CIW level, and then you say CIV. No, CIW. What? Forgot about it. So char again, and then if I do level CIW level again, I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna say print undo shift V, yank this, print this, and then level in terms of using percent how do you write percent? Escape sequence. I need my escape sequence. You know what? CIW, no, CIW, and then you use using percent. Let's try it. In terms of using percent C. No, it's not gonna fucking work. No. Oh, look how it did. So using. So wait a second. I don't need this. I just need this. I'm gonna make a new folder called C language, and then I'm gonna say oh, it's a web p. Wait, let me try. S ASC table. Now if I go back to Obsidian. Wait, just give me a moment. Now if I go back to, where was I? Insert ASCII table. It works. It even recognizes. No. So wait. How to display percent symbol in C? Are you fucking joking me? No, I need to display the. Oh, it's 2. Through Alt N. No error. Using percent C. Alt N. Yes, motherfucker. Control. So shift Shift V, yank this, paste this here, delete this one using DD, shift using D now. Insert D. So CIWD, Control Alt N. Yes, my friend. Here we go, my friend. This I'm just gonna add it to dictionary because, you know, why not? Now we have strings. Yes.
I'm actually going to change the.
So char from minus 128 to plus 127. So like bind everything, like the when you do what two thing, what negative numbers, floating points. Let me just. I was in the fucking zone. Wait, I got 2 views. Nice. No, it's actually 2 views right now. No, it's not concurrent views. Okay, shit. Because I check once. From 128 to. Yes, so this we have this. And then wait, let me shift G. Okay, control up, control up, control up, control down, G G G G. No, it's J J J J. Control up again, and then the character data type. What? Show data type. Not character. Yes, and then we have. So this is booleans, and then we have boolean, and then we were telling chars. Yeah, we was using chars. So this is char. Yeah. Okay. Good. Where was I?
Something else. What about, I don't know what number is, and that would be characters. You can also use them to store a whole integer. However, because they have 1 byte of memory. Now there is a keyword unsigned. So when you declare a variable that is unsigned, we disregard any negative numbers. So effectively, this doubles our range with our positive numbers. So if
unsigned char from 0 to plus 255. That is, so back right arrow, that is doubling our positive numbers while using the char data type. Yeah.
we have unsigned char, we can store a number between 0 to positive 255 because we know we're not going to store a negative number. So then if you need to display an unsigned character, we can use just %d. I'm going to store 255 within my unsigned char, and that would be, of course, 255.
So from what I can understand, I can do this. Char unsigned char is equal to 255. Now I can just copy this, yank this, paste this here. I'm just gonna say CIW unsigned char, and then using so %d will actually give me what the fuck. So %d will actually give me the thing. I'm gonna see. Let me try this. Why not? So no, undo this. Okay, now shift V, yank this, paste this here, and then I'm gonna try and see if I do this and if I do this. Let me try. Why not try? Let's make a lot of mistakes. What? Oh, there's no variable. Max underscore char, and so we have CIW max underscore char, then max underscore char. So we can actually run this now. It's taking a lot of time to run now. So it does this, yeah. So in the character thing, unsigned char works only for, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Print. This does not work because it's not the same thing as char. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. I understand it though, that's the thing.
However, if we go beyond this range, this will overflow and go back to 0. So if I was to display this, we have a warning. Unsigned conversion from int to unsigned char.
What the fuck? Kinda max number. I mean, it is the max number.
So then this resets back to 0. So if you go beyond the maximum range, this will reset all the way back to 0, whatever the beginning is. So if you add this keyword unsigned, you can effectively double the range of positive numbers that you can store within a variable. By default, most data types are already signed, but we don't need to explicitly type that. So point being,
I'm such a fucking noob. No, V, W, yank this, and then you say, I'm such a fucking noob, you know, I could just use Shift B instead of using P. So if I do CIW max underscore char is 255, insert 255. Works only with what? %d. If I do %c, yeah, it's not gonna be. If I do CI, so So if I do 200 for example, Control Alt N, still the same. So it only works with what did I just fucking do? So I press 5 first, I press insert and then 5, enter. What? I didn't know that I didn't know that. Oh my fucking god, just use Vim. Oh my fuck, are you joking me? Terminal. Nvim test.txt for example. Insert. So if I do 25, okay. So if I do in append, so either do append and I'm gonna say no, if I do 6 append 70 80. Yo, it's sick, bro. This is better than gaming, huh? Oh my fucking god, I just what? What? Vim, the greatest editor of all time. I mean, Emacs also, but Doom Emacs, not just like control. People that use Emacs need to remap their control key to caps lock, because like the fucking pinky will fucking break or something like that. So if I do 1 insert 5, it's gonna be like that. Okay, nice. I see now. I see now how it works. So I was basically where's Y? Yes. So I'm just gonna open it because why not? I'm not gonna like I'm using it. So fucking shit. Yeah. Where was I? So I was pressing this. So for example, if I'm gonna write char level is equal to, for example, if I write 20, let's say. So I finish. Now I want to write 5 times 12. So 12 I want to write 1 2 5 times. I just press 5, insert 1 2, undo. So 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. What? Some fucking kind of revelation. What the fuck? Yeah, where was I? So I was here. So I was like, where was I? C language, C program, and then C language, yeah. So set no warning to print slash output I don't know how to write unsigned. Sure, I don't know how to write unsigned. We can only use %d. Yeah, %d, because %c does not anything. Does not do anything. Yeah. So from what I can see, yeah.
Between ranges -128 to +127 if it's signed. If it's unsigned, you can store numbers between 0 to 255. You can display them as an integer by using the %d format specifier, or you could convert them to a character.
No, I'm not writing the bytes. I need to write the bytes. I don't know why I'm not writing the bytes. So I'm gonna say for 4 bytes. I'm just gonna write it like that. 4 bytes, and then 4 bytes of data. So I'm gonna write it. So because I have Vim installed. Fuck. -2 147 48483 483, and then 648 2. The same fucking thing but positive. So you yank this and then you just paste it. insert plus. I think I need to I need to use this append vd, and then what the fuck, then delete this, then just have a better version, yank this and then paste this over here. As you can see, I have pasted it. Now this is not good. Press this like this. Now for floating point number, so you say, we can say 4 bytes of data. Yeah, 4 bytes of data. 4 bytes, not 4 bytes. So 4 bytes of data, and then we can say like 32 bits, yeah, 32 bits so of precision, and then you can say yank this. It's 8 bytes of data, this one. Undo. Delete, insert 64 bytes of data. Of precision, I'm sorry. I mean 64 bits of precision. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So wait, what? Paint. I'm such a noob. I don't know how to calculate, so I use 8, 16. I'm not good at math. 32, 64. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So 8 precision values, like 8. And for the unsigned char, what was he saying? So minus 128. So basically minus 128 to plus 127. So for example, if you want to convert 11011101 into like the negative value of this, so you would convert this, so you would 001 00010, and then you would add a 1 to it. So 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. But I have a trick. Remember, in computer science, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. By the way, this I had to do all of these steps. So this is step 1, and then this is step 2, like the plus. I can just do this like this. So you see this one here? You see this one? Just keep it as it is. Now reverse everything. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, and that's the fucking answer, boys. That's the fucking answer. Here is the same as this. This is the same. So this is carry, by the way. I don't know how to write carry. I mean, I know how to write carry, but I don't know how to write it with a fucking mouse on paint. Yeah. So good. What do we say? I don't know how to type. Eat. I'm fucking tired. Bro. Actually.
Character using.
So unsigned char is from 1 byte of data. So wait. Double is like 8 bytes of data. Yeah. And then char is like. So delete this, and then insert this. So 1 byte of data. No, 1 byte of data. Yeah, 1 byte of data. 1 byte. Insert. So this goes here, and this goes here, and then did we place? Yeah, append. No, precision. Append this here, and then append this here. Control D, and then Control D. So this goes here, same as this. Yank this, and then paste this. delete. No, let me just do this, and then do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna X this, and I'm gonna Shift P and do. I'm gonna do this. Control V. I can't Control V. Fuck. Insert. So one byte from positive to positive, basically kind of max number. Plus positive only. Insert plus positive only. By the way, I got this font from TS Code. TS Soding. The Soding. I got this from this guy. The code. The font. Basically. Yeah.
The ASCII table by using the %C format specifier. Next, we have short ints. Short ints use 2 bytes of memory. They can store a number between negative 32,768 to positive 32,767 because, well, they use 2 bytes of memory. They can only store a number so large, and if it's an unsigned short int, the range is instead between between 0 to 65,535, and we use the %d format specifier to display a short int. So within my printf statement, I'm going to display these two numbers. So I will display variable h and I. H is a short integer, and I is an unsigned short integer. So these are the maximum values for a short integer and an unsigned short integer. And like I discussed with chars, if we go beyond this range, we will encounter an overflow. So I'm going to change this short number display to the minimum 58. That's the minimum value is 2 bytes. Oh, and you could just short ints. So those are what shorting. People usually just call them shorts instead of short ints. So those are what shorts are. Now with integers, we kind of discussed this in the last video. Just briefly, integers store a whole number
Like, actually, what the fuck is this piece of garbage? Like, long, what the fuck?
Between just under negative 9 to just over positive 4 billion. However, there is a different format specifier. To display an unsigned integer, you instead use %u. So then let's display these %d for a signed integer and %u for an unsigned integer, and reset these numbers back to their minimum value. Alright, the last data type we're going to talk about for this topic is a long integer. Now, the reason that we have long twice is that with standard integers, these are already considered longs, but we don't need to explicitly type long for standard integers. So to represent a real really large number, we can use a long integer. And these use 8 bytes of memory. The effective range for a signed long integer is just underneath 9 quintillion long. It's uncertain that in so since long large of a number, but in certain circumstances you might, perhaps you're dealing with the speed of light or something, you may need to use a long integer. But commonly we use standard integers. A lot more. Well, yeah, everybody, those are even more C data types. We likely.
So you're telling me that fucking No Man's Land Sky gave me this fucking number? Are you joking me? Like, what the fuck? Oh, this is cool. It like changes the color. Like, it's not like Windows thing. Like, see, Windows like this, Windows is like this. Yeah, nice. It's a good game. I have not really played this game, but it got like Game of the Year or something like that. No, I'm not gonna watch this shit.
Won't be. And
No,
integers.
the website is, well, the website is shit, not the actual, like, you know what I'm saying.
Pay attention to those ones, but you should still be made aware of the existence of other data types just in case you encounter them. And subscribe to specifiers. Using a format specifier within a printf statement, we can define and format a type of data. And let's just then I'll add a $sign. Wherever you would like to insert a value or variable, you will use that format specifier, the %sign. So after my $sign, I'll
This I know.
thing that we just add.
No, I need to write the notes though.
So do an item.
No, but I just
printf statement.
I just know. But where was variables? Variables has finished, okay. Then format specifiers, okay. I'm gonna be putting the format specifiers first. No, but all are related to each other, you know what I'm saying? Like, all of them are related to each other, so I need to, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know. So it's 2, so wait a second. Let's just put this here for a minute. So, constants. Just like, put this over here. So now, I'm gonna do the constant first. You know what? I think I'm gonna go now.
Then I have
I'm
a
gonna go
variable
now. I'm
pi.
gonna
Pi
arrive.
equals 3.14159. But what if we accidentally or somebody else changes the value of pi? It's an important number. Pi now equals 420.69. Since this value was changed, this will alter the result of our program. To prevent a variable or value from being changed, we can turn that variable into a constant by preceding the data type with this keyword const. And a common name.
That's fucking easy. Oh shit. So it's like really. Yeah, it's only 1 minute. Only 1 minute of shit. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna take me a while to learn this, but I'm actually learning it before, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm gonna stop at the format specifiers, and I'm gonna, like, so the scar, no, format specifier should go here. So append. You know what? I'm not gonna do the notes for format specifier. I know like the placeholder to print. Yeah. For this, I need to go back up. So constant. So I'm just gonna write data types. No. I'm not gonna do that. It's gonna get too long. What data types are available? I'm gonna write what data types are available and variables and constant. Okay. So C language, what data types are available? Control C, Control Z, Control V, and then this goes inside, and then this also goes inside. Now we can do this and do variables, and then you can do this and then do this. Same with this one, and then you just like kind of do this and then press constants, and then this goes here. So I'm gonna miss one. Yeah. Okay, boys, it's time for me to go now. Bye bye.